grains of black pepper in a glass of water and watch what will happen. It's fantastic. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. Black pepper is considered to be the queen of seasonings due to its outstanding taste and international popularity. Drink 1 cup of this recipe once in a month. 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of pepper. Works on, it burns fat. It improves digestion. It reduces flatulence. It's an aphrodisiac. It improves nutrient absorption. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps you eat less salt. It relieves pain. It's a natural antidepressant. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss upcoming videos.